Justin here with Spyder Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to properly install the projector headlights for the 96 to 98 Honda Civic. One of the first things you have to do is the tools you're going to be using is a flathead screwdriver, and pretty much what you have to do is locate the little tabs in the grill area. There should be 7 tabs, I believe. 7. All you have to do is just pop it off. I'll just put the tabs to the side and probably remove the grill. Now once the grill is off, you can move to the side of the car. It doesn't matter which side, but what you want to do is you want to turn the wheel to the side, and it doesn't really matter which side, but what you're gonna do is peel back the splash guard, and there should be another bolt or screw located right here. I already took it off earlier, so you can see there's where the bolt should go. Once, make sure you do the same thing on the other side. Same thing, it's located right here. Once the side bolts are off, you're going to have to take off a couple more bolts underneath the car. Once you located the screws on the bottom and you take them off. Once you take them off, just leave the screws to the side, and then pretty much your bumper should be able to come off. Set it to the side. Once the bumper is off, you need to remove the headlight. To do this, you need to locate the bolts that are holding the light in place. There's one located here on the inside, 2 up top, and then there's also one more to the side where it meets the fender. So you're going to have to take all those 4 bolts off using a 10mm socket. Should be really easy. Now to remove the headlight, it's pretty easy, just pull it out. And on the back side you'll see all these wires. The one on the far left right here is your turn signal. All you do is turn counterclockwise and it should be able to come out. Disconnect all the wiring. Alright, now once the lights are off, it's time to put on your new projector headlights. Here it is, your new projector headlights. Now what you have to do is pretty much plug everything back in the way you took them off. Turn signal. Plug in the harnesses, and then just put everything back together. Once all the bolts are on, all you have to do is just tighten them down, and then do the same thing on the other side and put the bumper back on.